Today we're cozying up with the Smoked Bourbon Cranberry Smash. It's smoky, and it's tangy, and it's also perfect for chilly nights. Let's shake things up. Hey guys, okay, first up we got some fresh cranberries. Time to give them a proper muddle. Smash them up real good, and this is where all the juicy flavors comes alive. Next, we move to the lime. Fresh lime juice is a non-negotiable for this cocktail, so muddle it separately because we're fancy like that. Now let's talk about bourbon. I'm using 4 Roses small batch for its smooth, balanced flavor. And now pour it like you mean it. And this is where the magic begins. Now, cranberry juice for the fruity tang, lime juice for the zing, and simple syrup to bring it all together. Sweet, sour, and oh so good. Get a good handful of ice and then add it to your shaker. And then the best part is, get to shaking. And I mean shake. This is your time to dance for like at least 15 seconds. Okay guys, so grab your strainer and pour this liquid magic into your favorite glass. Can we take a moment please and look at that color? It's absolutely stunning. But wait, we're not done yet. It's time for the grand finale, the smoke. Add some wood chips to your cocktail smoker. Fire that torch up, and smoke will appear soon. Wow, would you look at that for a second? This ruby gem drink is beautiful, but the real test is coming up. Alright guys, so the moment of truth. I asked my boyfriend to be the official taste tester because his reaction of that first sip will determine if the drink is a pop or a bust. Let's watch him take that sip. It's the pause. The eyebrows popped up. The approving nod. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. Alright guys, so there you have it. The Smoked Bourbon Cranberry Smash. It's perfect for the holidays, date nights, or when you just want to feel like a cocktail connoisseur. Try it out, impress your guests, and remember, drink responsibly. Happy holidays! Thank you for tuning in on today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.